What is going on, guys, and welcome to another year, another iPhone. Let's go ahead and pick up the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPad Air. Super hype. This year I pre-ordered all 5 iPhone 12s to unbox in the channel. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some of them, and then they're gonna come here. We're gonna unbox. It's another year. I'm excited. All right, so I'm very curious to see how the whole iPhones with COVID, like, is there gonna be any people or not? Let's see. I mean, the iPhone 12 is exciting, but I don't know if people are gonna think that it's that exciting as me. All right, Victor, how are you?
Very good.
You are not buying no iPhones this year.
Not today.
Why is that?
I'm waiting for the 12 Pro Max.
He's waiting for the 12 Pro Max, which is coming next month. Today, the only iPhones that are released are the 12 and the 12 Pro. The 12 mini will also come out next month. Okay, so these are the people waiting in line. There's no waiting in line this year. These are just pre-orders. That's why you don't see that many people. I was kind of expecting a lot more, but once again, these are just pre-orders. I'm hype. I'm here. We're almost here to get our hands on our iPhone. All right, guys, so here's the second in line for the iPhone 12. What iPhone are you getting?
iPhone 12 Pro.
12 Pro?
The blue one.
Blue one? Which iPhone do you have right now?
7.
7.
Since 5 years ago.
Well, are you excited?
Yeah, because
show it.
clearly broken. The battery is not working anymore.
You and your girlfriend are cute.
Oh yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
All right, getting some gel now. Here's the gel. All right, guys, check that out. That's the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Look at that. That's a whole table full of iPhones. That's probably the most expensive table you're ever gonna see in your life. Oh, okay, so here we go. All of the products are right here. What did I get? iPad Air, gold, super hype. I got an iPhone 12 and an iPhone 12 Pro in gold. This one's gonna be the one that I'm gonna be keeping. Gold is my favorite. Then iPhone 12 Pro in blue. And then you gotta get the one and only MagSafe charger. But all of my iPhone 12 colors, I pre-ordered all 5. Those will be coming home when I get home. Hopefully they will be early enough. Hopefully they will not rob me at the metro. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're with Carlos from Topes de Gama. If you guys are Spanish, you probably know. How are you? ¿Qué tal?
Muy bien, aquí ya con los nuevos iPhone.
¿Tienes ganas de probarlos?
Sí, ganas de probarlo y a ver la cámara, a ver qué tal se comporta.
¿Qué te has pillado?
Pues todo. Todo, pero por curro un poco.
Yo también.
El 12 en el acabado lima, que me parecía bastante bonito. Luego el 12 Pro en acabado azul.
¿Qué opinas de los nuevos iPhone? En 10 segundos.
Creo que para mí la compra es el iPhone 12. El iPhone 12 Pro creo que hay muy poquitas diferencias. Es la evolución lo que habría sido el S en una anterior generación. All
right, so they kicked us out of the Apple Store, nos han echado.
Tiene sentido hasta cierta forma del rollo,
sí.
Oye, que tiene que entrar gente, chicos, y lo fuera.
Bueno, siempre me echan cada año, ¿eh? Pero bueno.
¿Sí?
Venga, va, pues rápido a grabar los unboxings. All right, and that's it. Now it's your time to watch the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 11. You know what to do. Click these videos right now. What are you doing here? I don't want you in this video. Go ahead and click right now. Oh my. Get the heck out of here. If you're not watching these, get out.